Welcome. I'm going to show you really quickly how to install the World database. I'm going to use this link. It's the same link to get to Sakilla as to get to World. Instead of going to Sakilla database, I will click on the World database, zip, and then I'm going to unzip that by going to Downloads, World database, and this one's a little different than the Sakilla file. There's not a separate one for data and the structure. There's just one. So that's it right there. So I just unzip that. So I'm going to go here and new tab and open it from my Sakilla database and click on World. So I think I have World installed already, so I'm going to delete this real quick. Drop schema. Drop it. Okay, so it creates the database, it uses the database, it creates the structure, and then inserts the data. So we can do this in one fell swoop. If I just click go on this, the lightning bolt, and if I hit refresh over here, World should appear. So I'm going to close on my databases and find World. There's World. I'm going to check City. It has data into it. So it's a pretty simple install. Hopefully that helps.